When a song is created for an event like the FIFA World Cup or any event at that scale, who owns the song? Because performing a song on a global stage and owning the rights to that song are two completely different things. My name is Bayo Shola. I'm an entertainment lawyer. I'm your host for Afro-Pop and Law. And today I want to use biggest moment in music, as it concerns Nigeria anyway, to explain to every Nigerian creative concept of sync licensing, IP ownership, and why global visibility without legal infrastructure can easily become a liability. Every commercially released song generates two copyrights. The first one is the musical composition. That's the lyrics, the melody, and the songwriter. Basically, the underlying layer of the song itself. The second copyright is the master rights, or the master recording, which is the version of the song that listeners get to hear. Those are two separate rights. They can belong to one person. In other cases, they can be assigned to two different people. But one thing is constant. Each one earns royalties in different ways. The FIFA World Cup 2026 official album has 18 tracks. The album is distributed under FIFA Sound in partnership with Universal Music Group. That's Def Jam Recordings, Republic Records, and other Western institutional labels. FIFA has trademarked the designation Official FIFA World Cup 2026. Every track on that album is a licensing agreement. It is not just being streamed on Spotify or Apple Music. It is being used during live broadcasts, in promotional videos, in television commercials, in social media campaigns, in highlight reels, in digital content. All of those uses require permission, and in many cases, they generate additional income. That is where a sync license comes in. Let me tell you what a sync license is. You see, a synchronization license gives someone permission to use music alongside visual content. Whenever you hear a song in a film, in a television show, in an advert, in a documentary, in a sports broadcast, there's usually a sync license behind. For many artists, these licenses have become the most valuable sources of revenue throughout the lifetime of that song that has been licensed. Now, we do not know the specific terms of Burna Boy's arrangement with FIFA. That would obviously be confidential commercial information. But we do know how these deals are generally structured. And there is something very informative about what Waipo said about this very song. Shakira's royalties from Day Day have been directed to a charitable fund. That's the FIFA Global Citizen Education Fund. Sony Music has committed to matching the first $250,000 raised. That is a specific, negotiated, and publicized arrangement. It tells us that the royalty question, as it concerns this song, was thought about, it was structured, and it was agreed before the song was ever released. The question for African artists at this level and at every level below is, was the royalty question also thought about, also structured, also agreed for you to? Or did the excitement of that opportunity move faster than the legal preparation? The FIFA World Cup 2026 official album features 18 tracks. African artists appear on 4 of them. Most artists will never get to perform at the World Cup, but most artists will get the opportunity to license their music. A brand that would want to use your song in an advert, a filmmaker that would want to include your song in a movie, a streaming platform that would want to use it in a documentary, a television station that wants to use it for a promo. These are sync opportunities as well. And if you do not understand who owns your publishing, who controls your masters, or what rights that you are about to license in the first place, it is easy to sign away very much more than you intended. That is why copyright isn't just a legal issue. It is also a business issue. The better you understand your rights, the better positioned you are to monetize every opportunity that comes your way. and turn them into long-term income anyway. Burna Boy on the FIFA stage is a moment worth celebrating. I am celebrating it as well. But that celebration should come with a question that every Nigerian creative needs to be asking about their own work, about their own rights, about their own readiness for the moments when the biggest opportunity in the room comes knocking. Do you know what a sync license is? Do you know who owns your publishing? Do you know what you're actually signing away when a brand or a platform approaches you to use your music? Because the stage is actually getting bigger. The world is definitely paying attention, and the only thing that is going to determine whether that attention translates into generational wealth for you or just a moment that belongs to someone else's balance sheet is whether you were prepared. I'm Bayo Shola. This is Afro Pop and Law. Subscribe, follow, and share this with every creative who is building something worth licensing, because the world is ready. The only question is whether your contracts are ready as well. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you on the next one.